Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want tied to your photos. Once signed in, open Google Photos and go straight to Settings. Enable backup and sync so uploads begin. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges, then tap Backup Device Folders and pick which folders to include. This gets your primary backup running immediately and prevents missed photos. It's the only reliable continuous cloud method for Android when you need automatic protection. Once the backup is enabled, you control how and what uploads. Choose upload size. Original retains full resolution and uses quota. Storage saver reduces file size to save space. If you travel or need instant uploads, enable cellular uploads for specific folders, but watch data use. Then open device folders and toggle which folders upload: screenshots, WhatsApp images, camera. Make sure Google Photos shows an active backup status. That middle step ensures continuous. Finish by verifying backups. Open Google Photos and confirm the cloud icon or backup status for recent images. If storage fills, use Google One to buy space or clear local copies after confirming uploads. This frees device storage while keeping cloud copies. If something goes wrong, check app permissions, storage, network, update Google Play services and photos, and ensure account storage isn't full. These final checks complete the process and solve most issues, so your photos stay safely stored in the cloud.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.